What's up, everybody? Welcome you guys to Rail Stop Bullies. This is the Rello times Stella puppies. 3 weeks old today. And as you guys can see, they're doing great. It's 8 pups, 5 males, 3 females. Yeah, they're doing pretty good. I'm very, very pleased with this litter. They got nice bone, heads, chest. They got the whole package, just like their parents. This is a very consistent litter. Yeah, I definitely can't complain about this. So, look at them there, but they're just moving around. They just started walking a couple days ago. Yeah, they kind of acting a little crazy right now. They probably looking for moms. I got her out there using the bathroom. Yeah, they doing a real job on her, man. They drain her. They taking a lot of milk up out of her. Yeah, she a good mom though. She treat them really good. Hey, little poops. Hey, little poop. Okay. Check him out, look growling. Yeah, y'all peeing everywhere. Yeah, we'll get that up though. But yeah, this is a 2-time Remy, 2-time Michaelin, 2-time Gotti, the original Gotti blood for Blackjack 21, 3 times Fadar, 3 times 7 Up, 3 times Red Fox, 2 times Corrupt. Let's see, you got 2 times Marcelo. You got 3 times Rockin' Ruby. I can't remember, I gotta check the page. But yeah, real nice pedigree. Check them out. Yeah, these are gonna be some very nice American bullies. They'll be a high pocket, short standard, very thick, wide, muscled up. As you can see the heads on them, the heads is ridiculous. Real nice eye separation. Look at them, they just all over the place. Wow, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong, little pups? Yeah. Like I said, they 3 weeks today. Yeah, I'm letting them go at 8 weeks old. The ABKC registered. I actually got 4 spots left. Got 4 deposits already. Got 4 more open. Anybody that think they may be interested, you can contact me at 773-580-6499. You can actually go down 1 or 2 videos and see the video, the Stella times Rello. You can see a video of them. I'll be making some more up-to-date ones of them real soon. They outside right now though. You know, Stella really won't let him in here yet, and you know, she's very protective right now with these pups, so and that's why I'm making the video while she's not in here, because she's just all over him. She won't even stay out the way for me to video him. So, but yeah, again, you guys a little 3-week update. I'll be doing more updates from this point on, once a week. Letting you guys see how well they coming along. But man, this is a very consistent litter. Very. And they definitely will be very nice. Let's see, come here. see. You can see the chest. Look at the heads. Look at the bone on these little dudes. You can barely tell the females from the males. These really, really thick pups, man, for 3 weeks old. Very, very consistent. I usually would have somebody else filming while I can actually show them, but I'm doing this by myself, so just trying to let you guys get a look. Look at him. You're a feisty little one. Feisty little thing. Man, they got bone. They got good bone. Good bone. They'll be so little. Very healthy. Nice weight on them. Look at the heads, the shoulders, and the necks on these pups, man. At 3 weeks old. And no exotic bully blood in these dogs. I don't have nothing against exotic bully breeders, but I'm just not into them. I like the type of American bullies that were bred in the early 2000s, late 90s, pretty much what they were bred to be from the beginning. Nothing against exotic bully people, I'm just not into them. He's real nice. This is a very consistent litter once again. Just trying to let you guys get a nice little peek of them. I'll do another one where I can have somebody else film and I can put them up on the table and let you guys get a real good look at them. But right now, this is the best I can do because I'm doing this by myself. Hey, little pop-up. These little dudes is a trip. Y'all just wet and everything. Hey, little pop-up. Get off my arm. Come here. Come here. Ooh. Man, look at this here. Man, it don't get no better than this, ladies and gentlemen. It really, really don't. These pups got bone for days already. Like I say, you can look at the Rello x Stella video on this page and get a look at them. But like I say, I'll be doing I'll do another video of Rello and Stella. I mean, Stella, yeah, she a little down on weight right now too. I mean, these puppies, they are draining her. They taking a lot out of her. But, you know, she'll bounce back really fast. You know, I got Stella. I purchased Stella from Matt at Full Tilt Bullies. Shout out to Matt down there in North Carolina. I want to thank you again for giving me the opportunity to get that very beautiful female. She's a little she-male. Man, she's nice. Glad I was able to incorporate that blood with my 2-time inbred Remy Martin great-grandson, Mr. Rello. And he's every bit of him. Very, very nice. Yeah, like I said, it's 8 pups, 5 males, 3 females. I got 3 slots open on males and 1 slot open on the females. I say they 3 weeks old, they ABKC registered. Paperwork will be in hand. They'll come with their first 2 sets of shots, updated on deworming. Ear cropping is optional. Here in Chicago, they won't do them as early as 7 to 8 weeks. The earliest you can get them done is 10 weeks. So if that's something you would want to be done, you will have to wait till the pup is 10 weeks to get it. Like I say, $500 deposit. The pups is $2,500. You pay the deposit down. You make your pick at week 5. Balance need to be paid by the month of February. You know, February get here, you're not quite all the way ready, you short a few hundred or something, I'll hold them over for another week or two for you. But yeah, this is a very, very nice bloodline combination. You know, Stella came off Full Tilt Bullies Nessa and Full Tilt Bullies Nero. That's the grandson back to the grandmother breeding. And that breeding will never be done again because Nessa is retired. And it was only 3 pups came out that litter, and I have one. Another gentleman in Colorado has one, and another gentleman in Arizona, I believe, have one. So me having Stella and me taking her to my 2 times inbred LoJack Remy Martin great grandson with the Michelin, that's the Gotti blood that's in there. The combination of him plus the combination of Stella, and this is their creation, and this breeding can never be duplicated unless it comes from me. These pups are going to be really, really nice as they grow. I can guarantee it. I can definitely guarantee it. There will be not one bad pick in this litter. They peeing everywhere and stuff. Yeah, we'll get that together though. Like I said, I just want to give you guys a little quick little shout out. I mean, not a shout out, but a quick little video. Let's see the little heads, the little bodies on them. They got shoulders, they got everything already, man. You can definitely pretty much tell. If you know dogs, if you know bullies, you can pretty much tell what these gonna be, but I'll do a more in-depth video of them in another day or two. Get some nice individual shots of each one, let you guys get a close-up on them, you know, while they standing and everything. But yeah, like I say, I can be reached at 773-580-6499. Till then, y'all take care, and I'm out. Stop recording.